Hello everybody, this is Ajita Jagannathan and I'm going to teach you the various data types in C++. Remember in the last video I had included these two header files. In this video and the further upcoming videos I would like to include another header file known as #include conio.h. This conio.h header file's main purpose is to use this getCh function so that the characters of the output screen remain for a while so that we can see it clearly. Okay. So what are data types? What is data? Data refers to information and data type refers to the types of information. So data types refer to the types of information in C++. So for example, we can use int. Int is used to store a number. So to create an int data type variable, we use the variable name here, say a. So a is referred as the variable which is of integer data type which contains an integer value. So a is a variable. It is called a variable since it can contain different values of integer. Different values as in a can be equal to 5 at an instance and a can be equal to 2 at an instance, and when I print a, it won't print 5, it will print 2 because after 5 I have modified it to be 2. So thus it is known as a variable. The value can vary. And then we have char, which is referred to represent a character. So char can be a variable for the character. So the syntax for the various data types in C++ are just use the keyword for the data type and then followed by the variable name for the data type. So integer is number, character is character. Then we have something known as string. Space S. So string refers to any sentence, for example, hello, how are you, anything. Multiple characters can be stored in a string. And then we have float, space F. Float refers to all the decimal numbers in C++. So like 5.7, 6.8 and so on. All the decimal numbers can be stored in float F. Then we have double. So double is more or less similar to float, but double gives you more higher precision. That is, if you take a look at a decimal number, float can represent it to a maximum of 7 digits after the decimal point, and double can represent it to a maximum of 15 digits after the decimal point. Okay, so now we have created these variables which are of these data types. So to we need to create a value within these variables which can be printed or which can be used for certain calculations. So to initialize these variables with certain values, we use the syntax like this. Variable name is equal to the value. So here a is equal to 5. A is an integer, so it is equal to any number, 5, 500, 50, so on. So I just remain it and 5. Then ch is character equal to. Remember, when you always initialize a character variable, you use the single quote A or B, a single character or even plus, any character. Then we have string. S is equal to hello, this is CPP made easy, semicolon. And then we have float, which is 5.6 or 6.9 or any float, any decimal value like 10.9. And then double, which is similar to float, but I'm just giving you all the various data types. You can use float, you can use double, it depends upon your need. 10.9889. Okay, so now to print it out onto the screen, remember I had taught you this function known as cout. Okay, so now we can print it out as a equal to print out the value in a, we use this. You can print out anything, like whatever you print within these double quotes is displayed directly. To print out the variables, we have to use these angular brackets followed by the name of the variable. So cout a is equal to a. So this helps in printing out the value of a after a is equal to a. So here to make it end the line, we use endl, which is end line. So to go to the next line, I would like to print the character value. So cout ch is equal to, same angular brackets, ch and end line. Now cout string s is equal to s. End line. End line is used so that we can end the line so that it starts in a new line for us. Like the next line is where the next printing occurs. It is used for presentation purpose, so it makes your program look neater. Cout double is equal to double D, sorry, is equal to D end line. Okay, so now we're done with this, and let's take a look by saving it. Datatypes.cpp, save. And to execute, I told you that you use the compile and run function, which is F11. F11. Let's wait for it. There you go. A is equal to 5. Character is equal to plus. String is hello, this is CPP made easy. Float is equal to 10.9 and double is equal to 10.9889. So this is how you use data types in C++. Thank you.